Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about definite integrals. This topic is intended for students who are majoring mathematics and freshman engineering students. So I have here number 1, evaluate the definite integrals. I have two. One is integral from 1 to 2. My function is x to the power of 4 dx. So as what we know in integral, this will be n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this is the overview for integral. So I have here, so this will be, since this is 4, this will be 4 plus 1, and then over 4 plus 1. So this will be x5 over 5. Then substitute the intervals from 1 to 2. So this will be, start with 2, 2 raised to the power of 5 over 5, then minus 1 raised to the power of 5 over 5. So what is 2 raised to the power of 5? So let us recall our basic arithmetic. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 5, so meaning multiply itself 5 times. So this will be 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So I have 32 over 5. Then 1 raised to 5th power is still 1 over 5. Since this is a similar fraction, so write only the common, and then 32 minus 1. 32 minus 1 is 31 over 5. So this is the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is, I have here, integral from 0 to 1, my function is y squared of minus y cubed dy. So I need to integrate individually. So this will be integral from 0 to 1, this will be y squared dy. Then minus integral from 0 to 1, y cubed dy. Okay, so take note in integral n plus 1 over n plus 1. So this will be y cubed over 3. And then this will be y to the 4th over 4. And then write the intervals. Interval from 0 to 1. Okay, so this will be, we'll start 1 raised to the power of 3, and then over 3. Then minus y raised to the power of 4 over 4. Then this will be square brackets. Then this will be minus. So this will be 0. 0 raised to the 3rd power over 3 minus 0 raised to the power of 4 over 4. Okay? So, what is 1 raised to the power of 3? Meaning multiply itself 3 times. So this will be 1 over 3 minus, this will be 1 over 4. And then we know that this will be 0. So we focus in here, 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. So since this is dissimilar, so we need to find the LCD. To find the LCD, just multiply the denominator. So this will be 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1, 4. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1, that is 3. So my answer for number 2 is 1 over 12. That's all.